may bagong pa-survey at pabutuhan ang Billboard PH kung sino ang gusto nyong madala at makarating sa P-pop Rising Class of 2026. Ayon nga sa post ng Billboard PH sa Facebook, from breakout releases to rapidly growing fandoms, P-pop continues to usher in a new wave of artists pushing forward the sound, culture, and movement of Filipino pop music, with today's leading act paving the way for the genre's rise on the global stage. The next generation of P-pop performers is now stepping into the spotlight. As part of Billboard Philippines P-pop Unite, we proudly present this year's P-pop Rising Class featuring the next wave of hitmakers. Maraming pagpilian, isa na dyan ang ating Sonara, the first girl group ng 1Z Entertainment. Kaya naman, i-click lamang ang link sa aking comment section para bumoto at piliin ang Sonara. At ayon nga sa mga komento dyan ay halos lahat Sonara. Sonara at syempre ang 18 ay sumusuporta sa Sonara dahil alam nila na ang Sonara ay first girl group ng SB19 team at 1Z Entertainment. Kaya naman, i-click na ang link sa aking comment section at bumoto.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.